Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Going to show here about the review. Sometimes about to make side of the setting on making the side of making saving account on the side of Santander, that is about we really already something that is going on through the situation that is about really helpful through what we are going to have, through what we are going to know understand through a situation that is already through what we are going to have through our moment. What you are going to see is about log into through your banking account is going to be really sometimes not going to be really criminal, but it's still about to be really some kind of things that is already through the online banking on this situation. It is about to be really here through that is about to be logging in through the banking account. The situation it's about to go to the Santander website and then check the eligibility criteria for the account that you are interested in. Tick all boxes you are happy to the account details, select on the apply button on the term of condition to confirm that is continue about the personal information, so you can next to that how to create saving accounts.